A state bill aimed at protecting outside dogs fully passed the legislature with a final vote coming just little more than an hour ago. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Guy Rawlings.
And I'm Carla Wade. Senate Bill 361, also known as Beau's Law, passed the Alabama House earlier today with 69 yeas and 23 nays.
The vote came after a lengthy discussion on the bill, which lays out requirements for tethering dogs and the basic care for keeping them outside. Representatives gave their approval on the bill, but not as is. Lawmakers passed several amendments.
Now, changes to the bill like this one, it further breaks down the criminal charges for someone who violates the law. This amendment makes it a Class C misdemeanor for a first violation, a Class B misdemeanor for a second violation, and a Class A misdemeanor for a third and beyond.
It's this version of the bill that went back to the Senate and who then passed the legislation. WVTM 13's Lisa Crane took a closer look at Beau's Law, specifically the story behind it.
This is how the world met Beau. Last winter, this video of the pup chained in a Birmingham backyard during a snowstorm went viral. The pup was shivering, trying to balance on an overturned planter to stay dry. A neighbor called police, but the responding officer felt current law requiring adequate housing wasn't clear enough to do anything.
It was just a really shocking thing to people that such an extreme weather event, dog is chained, it's wet, sopping wet cardboard, the dog's shivering and almost hypothermic. It really, I think it got everybody's attention that that's how bad we'd gotten with people unable to interpret what the current law meant.
The director of the Greater Birmingham Humane Society spent a lot of time in Montgomery pushing for the passage of Beau's Law to clarify what adequate housing is and to make it unlawful for dogs to be chained or tied to immobile objects.
Beau's Law is the first pet protection law that has passed in Alabama in 26 years. It had bipartisan support, but a lot of opposition from special interest groups. By the way, not long after that video of a shivering Beau went viral, GBHS picked him up, nursed him back to health, and he was adopted. He is now living happily with his new owners in a warm bed, and he sleeps inside every night. In Jefferson County, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.
And once it's signed, that bill will go into effect on October 1st.